Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on what is the navigation pane in Microsoft Word. So let me just quickly open my Microsoft Word and I have a document in here. So the navigation pane, that is a feature in Microsoft Word that displays a list of headings in a document that allows users to quickly navigate to specific sections or pages without scrolling. So let's go find out where is the navigation pane. Now you have to simply click on the View tab right here on the ribbon at the top. Click on the View tab and here you will find the navigation pane. So it's like a tour for your document. So if you want to enable the navigation pane and use it, you just need to simply check this and here you can navigate into your document. So you have here the headings. You can navigate through your headings in your document without scrolling for the scroll bar on the right pane. You just have to simply click it from here if you want to also access into your pages without scrolling. So this is the first page and I want to access the second page without scrolling the scroll bar. I'm just going to click on pages and here I can find the second page. So I can make changes right here on the second page and also for the third page and the fourth page. And also for the results, if there are some comments right here, and then that's it. That's how you can easily use the navigation pane in your Microsoft Word to navigate into your document. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.